Question 1. A company needs to provision EC2 instances for a fault-tolerant, flexible application that can tolerate interruptions and wants to minimize costs by leveraging unused AWS compute capacity. Which EC2 pricing model is most suitable for this scenario? Option A. On-demand instances. Option B. Reserved instances. RIs. Option C. Spot instances. Option D. Dedicated hosts. The correct answer is spot instances. Here's the explanation. Spot instances allow users to bid on unused EC2 capacity, offering substantial discounts, up to 90%. They are ideal for fault-tolerant, flexible workloads that can tolerate interruptions, as instances can be terminated by AWS with a 2-minute warning if the spot price exceeds the bid. Question 2. You are launching an EC2 instance and need storage that persists independently of the instance's lifecycle and can be attached to a different instance if needed. Which storage option should you choose? Option A. Instant Store. Option B. Amazon Machine Image, AMI. Option C. Elastic Block Store, EBS. Volume. Option D. EC2 Root Volume, Ephemeral. The correct answer is Elastic Block Store, EBS. Volume. Here's the explanation. EBS volumes are persistent block-level storage volumes that can be attached to EC2 instances. They persist independently of the instance's lifecycle, meaning data is retained even if the instance is stopped or terminated, and can be reattached to another instance. Instant Store is ephemeral, and data is lost on stop/terminate. Question 3. A user wants to define a virtual firewall that controls inbound and outbound traffic to their EC2 instances and operates at the instance level. Which EC2 component should they configure? Option A. Network Access Control List, NACL. Option B. Amazon Machine Image, AMI. Option C. Security Group. Option D. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC. The correct answer is Security Group. Here's the explanation. Security groups act as virtual firewalls that control inbound and outbound traffic to instances. They operate at the instance level and are stateful, meaning return traffic is automatically allowed. Question 4. A company is launching a new, experimental application with highly unpredictable usage patterns that will only run for a few hours at a time, with frequent starts and stops. Cost optimization is important, but immediate availability is paramount. Which EC2 pricing model is most appropriate? Option A. Reserved instances. Option B. Spot instances. Option C. On-demand instances. Option D. Dedicated hosts. The correct answer is on-demand instances. Here's the explanation. On-demand instances offer maximum flexibility with no upfront commitment, billed per second after the first minute. This is ideal for short-term, unpredictable workloads where immediate availability is crucial and the cost of interruptions, like with spot, or long-term commitments, like with RIs, is undesirable. Spot instances are interruptible, and reserved instances require a commitment for predictable usage. Question 5. A financial firm needs to run a critical, 24/7 analytics application with a stable and predictable compute load for the next 3 years. They want to achieve the highest possible discount for their EC2 usage and are willing to pay the entire commitment up front. Which reserved instance payment option and type would provide the maximum savings? Option A. No upfront convertible RI. Option B. All upfront standard RI. Option C. Partial upfront convertible RI. Option D. All upfront scheduled RI. The correct answer is all upfront standard RI. Here's the explanation. All upfront payment option combined with a standard reserved instance provides the highest discount compared to on-demand prices. Standard RIs offer the highest discount because they are the least flexible, cannot change instance family, OS, or tenancy, And paying all up front maximizes the savings over the commitment period. Convertible RIs offer less discount due to their flexibility. And scheduled RIs are for specific time windows, not continuous 24/7 operation. Question 6. A data analytics team needs to process large data sets using a cluster of EC2 instances. The workload is fault-tolerant and can handle interruptions, but cost savings are a top priority. They want to ensure they pay the lowest possible price. Which EC2 pricing model should they use? And what is a key characteristic of its billing? Option A. On-demand instances. Billed at a fixed hourly rate. Option B. Reserved instances. Billed monthly based on a 1-year commitment. Option C. Spot instances. Billed at the current spot price as long as their bid is higher. Option D. Dedicated hosts. Billed hourly for the physical server. The correct answer is spot instances. Billed at the current spot price as long as their bid is higher. Here's the explanation. Spot instances offer the largest potential cost savings, up to 90%, for fault-tolerant, flexible workloads that can tolerate interruptions. You bid a maximum price, but you are billed at the current spot price, which fluctuates based on supply and demand, as long as your bid is above it. If the spot price exceeds your bid, or AWS needs the capacity, the instance will be interrupted with a 2-minute warning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.